Once again, just as a brief overview, we've got the 2 licensed facilities in Texas with a 1.6 million pound per year capacity. I would point out there are no licensing restrictions in terms of expanding this capacity as well. It's a function of the equipment, and Paul can go into that a bit more as well. I touched on New Mexico. We've got the roughly 50% of the district under our control, certainly the dominant position in the industry, over 300,000 acres or 468 square miles of patented mineral rights that cost us not $1 to maintain. These include about 32 million pounds of 43101 and almost 90 million pounds of historic mineral resources. Some of those are under a current study for upgrading to current standards at Juan Tafoya Marquez. We look forward to those results coming out here in the near future. It's key to mention the historical resources, and this doesn't just apply to ours, but to many of the others in the industry in the U.S. These historical resources were drilled out by major leading oil companies primarily during the 70s, and they have a very, very high percentage confirmation in terms of upgrading those to 43101. Thousands of drill holes were done by name brand, well-respected companies, and so they are of a significantly more important than most historical resources would be in other parts of the mining industry. Just touching on the other assets, we do have exploration assets in Wyoming, as well as Utah and Arizona. And we also have a 40% interest in Group 11, a private company that's doing research and development on in-situ recovery methods using non-toxic solutions on a variety of metals, including uranium from sources that are thought to be non-leachable. Here again, speculative, but could be very important going forward.